Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of Bits and Talks with TSHNT, and we are here to solve the question find the lone set bit. What does the question say is that we are given a non-negative integer and its binary representation consists of only one, that is only a single one digit, and the rest of all the digits are 0, and we need to return the position of that one, right? And the position of 1 should be counted from the last, that is from the LSB. Let's say our n is 4, so that will correspond to its binary representation will correspond to 1 0 0, and its value will be 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, and 2 raised to power 2, right? So what you just need to do is, there is a simple formula, that is log base 2 of this n plus 1, right? So log base 2 of n, that is log base 2 of 4, this will correspond to 2, and 2 plus 1, that is 3. So the position of 1 bit is 3, right? Let us see in another example when n is 4, n is 8. So if n is 8, 8 will correspond to 1 0 0 and 1 another 0. So this will correspond to log base 2 of 8, that is 3 plus 1, that is the position of 1 bit is 4, right? Okay, so what if we have more than two ones, right? So 1 0 1 0. Let's say this is our n, right? So this, what we will do is we will take it and with n minus 1, right? So n minus 1 will be last से जब तक हमारा first one हमें encounter नहीं होता हम उसे reverse करते रहेंगे. So that is 1 0 0 and this is 1, right? So जब इनका AND लेंगे हमारे पास क्या आएगा 0, and this is also 0, this is also 0, and this is 1. So if the AND of n and n minus 1 is not equals to 0, right? If this is not equals to 0, what we can say is just return minus 1, that is there are two ones in that n, right? And if the n is 0, that is, let us say this case 1 0 0 and 0, and this is our n, and similarly n minus 1 का AND क्या होगा 0, so this is 1 1 1 and 0, so that will correspond to 0, right? So if n and n minus 1 and is 0, that means there is only one single digit present, and there is only single one present in that n, so hence we can just return the position of that one. And if n and n minus 1 and is not equals to 0, just return minus 1 as the output. So very simple code. If our n is 0, just return minus 1, because in the constraint it is given that n ranges from 0, right? If n is 0, just return minus 1, right? There is no 1. If n and n minus 1 is also equals to 0, अगर उन दोनों का and equals to 0 आ रहा है, मतलब उसमें सिर्फ एक ही 1 present है, तो उसकी position कैसे return करनी है? Simple formula log base 2n plus 1. Otherwise just return minus 1, and this will successfully pass all the test cases. Thank you. Consider subscribing the channel too for more such videos. And also, if you still have any doubts, just put that out in the comments. Thank you.